Hi everyone, welcome back. I am Ryan, and I am happy you are here.
Hello, I am Jessica. Welcome to our English lunch story at this restaurant today.
Today, you will learn simple English to fix a problem with your food order.
We focus on A1 English, with some B1 phrases to sound more confident and polite.
Please subscribe to our channel and learn more English with real-life stories like this.
Write a comment and tell us which country you are watching from today.
Hi Jessica, nice to see you here for the company lunch today.
Hi Ryan, nice to see you too. This restaurant looks simple but very comfortable.
I think I will order the chicken salad. It looks light and healthy.
I want the vegetarian pasta, without meat. It sounds perfect for me today.
Ordering in English can be difficult, especially when there is a problem with your food.
Yes, but today we will show simple, polite phrases you can really use.
First, listen for useful words: order, wrong dish, mistake, polite, and assertive.
Assertive means you speak clearly and strongly, but you are still respectful and kind.
Okay, our food is coming now in the story. Watch carefully for the mistake.
When you see the problem, think about what polite sentence you would say first.
My chicken salad looks correct with vegetables and grilled chicken on top.
This looks like beef with sauce. I asked for vegetarian pasta, remember?
You are right, that is definitely not vegetarian. Something is wrong with your order.
Yes, there is a mistake, but I feel a little nervous to say something.
You can start very simple. For example, say, "Excuse me, this is not my order."
Okay, I like that. It is short, clear, and still very polite and calm.
Then you can add more detail. Say, "I ordered the vegetarian pasta, not the beef."
So first I say there is a problem. Then I say what I really ordered.
Exactly, and remember to keep your voice calm, not angry. That helps everyone relax.
All right, I am ready to try. I will talk to the server in our story now.
The server is here now. Remember your first sentence, Jessica. You can do it.
Excuse me, this is not my order. I ordered the vegetarian pasta, not beef.
That sounded very clear. Now you can add more detail if necessary, about no meat.
Right, I can say, I do not eat meat, so I asked for vegetarian.
You can also say, "There seems to be a mistake with my order today."
That phrase is a bit more formal, but it still feels friendly and very respectful.
Thank you for your help. Could you please bring the vegetarian pasta instead?
Yes, and I can add, I appreciate it, to show I am thankful.
Now your real order has arrived. You stayed calm and polite, but you were also strong.
Yes, and the problem is solved. I feel more confident speaking English in restaurants now.
How did it feel to correct the mistake like that, honestly?
At first I was nervous, but those short sentences made everything much easier.
So our steps were simple. Explain the problem, say your real order, and stay calm.
And remember extra phrases like, there seems to be a mistake, and I appreciate your help.
Before we leave, try saying one sentence from today in the comments below.
Yes, practice makes you stronger. Write your favorite polite restaurant sentence and share it.
Thank you for joining our lunch story today. Goodbye, everyone, and goodbye, Jessica. See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, Ryan. Have a nice day and enjoy your salad. Hello, everyone. I am Jessica, your English teacher. Today, we will study English from our story. Not clearly corrects the mistake. Example, I ordered the vegetarian. Past simple ordered shows past action. Example, not beef. Example, yes, there is a mistake. There is introduces the issue. Example, there seems to be a mistake. Seems makes the tone softer. Add time with today if needed. Example, could you please bring? Could you please is very polite. Bring requests in action. Add instead to show replacement. Gratitude softens the request. Example, thank you for your help. Longer, I appreciate your help. Short, I appreciate it. Give a clear reason with so. Example, I do not eat meat, so I asked. So links reason to result. I will explain grammar, verbs, and sentence use. I will explain why these phrases sound polite. Keep your voice calm, not angry. Not angry states a boundary. Define tone with assertive. Example, assertive means you speak. But adds respectful balance. Example, respectful and kind. Gentle hedges show softness. Example, I feel a little nervous. A little reduces the strength. Example, a bit more formal. A bit also softens the tone. Build confidence with simple forms. Example, I am ready to try. Use perception verbs for opinions. Example, it looks light and healthy. Example, it sounds perfect for me. Looks and sounds are soft. That is definitely not vegetarian. Definitely makes it stronger. Future intent with will. I will show when to use them in real life. We study key forms and polite tone. Example, I think I will order will shows a decision now. Example, hi everyone, welcome back. Use it as a warm, friendly greeting. Example, hello, I am Jessica. Self-introduction, subject plus be plus name. Example, hi Jessica, nice to see you. Polite social phrase, present simple. Example, have a nice day. Closing wish, very polite and kind. Now complaint openers, polite and clear. Example, excuse me, this is not my order. Structure, excuse me plus a fact. Present simple is states a fact.